Good morning. I have a power here. My God, my pimple has gotten worse. Today is a lazy day because it's a Monday. Yeah. Good morning, Miguel. Miguel is not feeling okay. Kasi early today, na ipit yung feet ni Miguel. Yan, nag-play sila ni Awi, and then napiit ang young feet. Kaluwi tad anang Miguel, oy. Kaluwi tad, na slip na lang siya. Oh my God. This hurts so bad and my head aches so bad because of my period. Period. Hi, Ate. Good morning, Ate. Ate is over there. Hi, Reese. Ate. Hello. You take a shower na. Oh, feel like this Ate, oh. They got bored last night kasi nawala yung internet connection namin. Kasi merong malakas yung hangin, malakas yung rain, and then tadang! All gone. Diba, Miguel? No? That's why natulog kayo ng maaga kagabi, te. Yeah, me too, because I was so tired. Sakit ang aking tiyan to last night. Buti na lang talaga na walang internet kasi pag merong internet, yan, hindi nakakatulog. And then I will be forced to take medicine para mawala yung sakit ng ulo ko. Para lang makapag YouTube. I was editing my thumbnail for that vlog, for a vlog, and then oh my God, what is wrong? Why isn't this opening yung mga stickers and stuff? Ayaw niya mag-upload. Yun pala. And then buti naman, bumalik siya today. Hindi na kailangan tumawag. Kasi pag walang internet, yung sira yung LOS, loss of connection, nagbi-blink yung red. Nagre-red blink pala, nagbi-blink yung red. Pag ganun, wala ding phone. It's so weirdo. Ang weird ng ngayon, guys, yung phone. Kasi before, separate yung jack ng Wi-Fi router mo, tsaka yung phone. Now, nasa router na yung phone din. It's called VoIP. I don't know what's that stands for. Nakalimutan ko. Basta yun yan. Pag wala yung sira yung basta yung LOS talaga. Wala ding phone. So paano yan? Paano kami makakatawag sa PLDT, di ba? And din, dapat talaga smart yung network mo para in case na may sira yung PLDT, you can call. But unfortunately for us, yung mobile phone namin is Globe, tsaka TM. Tapos si Mother Son, pwede ba ka makatawag, Mother, no? O PLDT, ang Son? 171, dili? Waka ka-try. Kaya diba diba parehas na yung Sun tsaka Smart, magka-same company na sila. But, I don't know, yung sa Smart, pwede kang tumawag ng unli call papuntang Sun, pero yung Sun, hindi pwede. Oh my God, that's such a fail. So, yun, but, buti na lang nga, bumalik yung internet because it would definitely be a sad life. Oh, breakfast na tayo. Girls, guys, boys. What is our breakfast for today? Avocado, butter, flashlight, flashlight, bread, of course, ubi loaf, and coffee. Yan. Kain tayo. Hello! 2:30 na. Ang TV na. So today is a lazy day, guys. Off ko. I don't have client today. I'm just staying sa bahay, and fortunately, it's a good timing kasi nga masakit yung ulo ko, and Sakit din yung puson ko, guys. So, I'm happy na wala din. Timing lang din naman na wala. We're just chilling. I'm just watching YouTube videos. I'm planning to do some editing, but mamaya na kasi na sakit. I can't take it. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate, guys. Yun. So, I'll just be watching, you know, YouTube. Because I'm catching up with my YouTube videos kasi the past days, hindi ako masyadong nakapanood ng YouTube video because I was busy editing nga, and then after sa salon dito, gabi na, always umuwi. So, but before watching, kasi I'm planning to watch Dawson's Creek Season 2 na. I'm on Season 2 na, guys. But before that, I'm just gonna eat my lunch kasi I haven't eaten lunch yet and it's almost 3 PM na kasi late din ako nag-breakfast. So, yun. Still struggling with this big guy here. Ang sakit. Ouch. And I have a couple. So, enough me rambling and kakain muna ako, guys, kasi I'm so hungry na and I'm gonna watch Dawson's Creek. Oh, toilet. I got to show you my lunch. Ito lang yung lunch ko. Kanin! No, joking. Yan. I wanted fish. This is, I don't know what's the name of the fish. I'm not very particular sa names of fish, guys. Sorry. And of course, suka, my favorite with anything else. Kahit chicken, ano pa yan, lumpia. I need my vinegar and soy sauce. And coffee again. Kain tayo! OMG. I think my video is going to be late today. Kasi ang bagal ng internet connection. Last night, walang internet. And today, meron naman, but it was so slow. I was uploading my video, mga 5 o'clock pa yon, and it's almost 8 o'clock na, guys. Supposedly, I wanted to schedule my video 7. I totally forgot to upload yesterday. Yeah, para in advance. I thought na meron, but I forgot na wala pala akong na-upload. Sad life. Dapat I should have learned na dapat nag-upload ako ng like mga 3 days ago pa lang. Because, you know, you cannot really prevent from something like this happening. So, nire-reset. We're just resetting the router and then nga naman unsay dili makaunsa. You're such a chicken. Hopefully, after ma-reset yung router, magiging mabilis na siya. Ayun, napalabas na ni Maba si Miguel.
Ako na yun.
Is it already 5 minutes? Well, go ahead. Turn it on.
Kahit 38 nito ganito.
Okay, fine. Turn it on. Friends, good night na. Gabi na. And, yeah, I wanna wash my face na. Kasi gabi na. And I'm gonna see again this big monster on my face. So, yay! Good night na, guys. I hope you had a great day and a wonderful day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.